Hey, I'm Casper, and I'm going to have the best time of my day. I'm going to play with some puppies.
I love playing with the dogs, and if I'm having a bad day, the only thing that makes me smile is to go back to my dog.
My name is Rachel Peterson. I work at the Boeing Company here for the Invictus Games 2025. What we're seeing here is called the Puppy Puddle. The Puppy Puddle is service dogs that are in training. PADS is an organization that trains service dogs for veterans, first responders, to be around those who need just a little bit more love and support in hard moments.
This is Puma, and she's doing what she's trained for. I'm feeling calm by being here with her, and I can change my focus from the things that make me nervous to be focused on her. I think generally pets are important for me as a veteran with some of the things I'm struggling with. I think being a part of the Invictus Games is a game changer, a life changer. Because now you're a part of something bigger, like when you were in the army, and you're with people that understand you, and with that you just get enough courage to go on a new journey and try to work with the things you're struggling with.